In this video, we will take the scenario we discussed earlier and see how we can create these relationships in Salesforce. The scenario we have discussed was like this. When accepting a keychain booking, Jenny needs to track which account has placed the order, and she also needs to track which model of keychain is being ordered. So in order to do this, we have to create a lookup from keychain bookings to accounts, and we have to make a lookup from keychain bookings to keychain models. To create this relationship on keychain bookings object, let us first look at the keychain bookings page layout and its fields and relationships. So if we look at the keychain bookings tab, there are no keychain bookings currently created. Because there are hardly any fields defined. If we look at the page layout, we only have the booking date and the booking quantity. It doesn't tell us which account has made the booking or which keychain model has been booked. So let us create those fields in the form of relationships. Go to Setup, go to the Object Manager, and select the object Keychain Booking. Go to the field and relationships, and we'll create a new field. The field type will be a lookup relationship. Next, it's related to. Now, which object do we want to relate it to? Let's take a look at the scenario. We want to look up from keychain bookings to accounts and from keychain bookings to keychain models. So let's do that. Let's select accounts first. Next, field name, keep it as account. You can put in a description, track account that made the booking. The child relationship name, keychain booking. Keep all the defaults. Next, as you can see, it's a 6-step process. So this field should be visible for all users who have access to create a new keychain booking. That's fine. Next, and include this field on the keychain booking layout. So this automatically adds this field on the page layout. As the next step, we add the custom related lists, keychain bookings, to the account page layouts as well. So when somebody is looking at the account record, they will be seeing the related list of the keychain bookings made by that account. So which is fine. We want to create one more relationship. So we will use save and new. The second field we want to create is also a lookup relationship. We now want to create a relationship from keychain bookings to keychain model. Next, related to keychain model. Next, field name is keychain model. Keep the defaults. Next, keep it visible for all the profiles that have access. Add the field to the keychain booking layout. Add the custom related lists on the keychain model page layout. So when somebody is looking at a keychain model, they'll be able to see what bookings have been made for that keychain model. Save that. Right. So now we can see the two fields have been added. There's an account field and there is a keychain model field that has been created. Both of them are lookups that have been created on the respective objects. So what we have just done is we have created two lookup fields on a custom object called keychain booking, and the lookup is to one standard object, that is account, and one custom object, that is keychain model. Now let's see, after adding these fields, what the page layout looks like. On the keychain booking page layout, you can see that the two fields have now been added. So you will see the booking name, which is a auto number field, the booking date, which has a default of today, the booking quantity, the account lookup field, and the keychain model lookup field. We can always we can change the page layout by moving the fields around. So let's say we move account to the right hand side, keychain model also we can move to the right hand side. So that makes it a better balanced page layout. Save this page layout. Now let's go back to our home page and keychain bookings and create a new keychain booking. If you see the fields have not yet appeared, cancel out of this. Refresh the page. This refreshes the cache and click new. You can see the fields have now appeared. So let's keep the booking date as today, the booking quantity as 10 pieces, and let's search for an account. Let's select one of the existing accounts, or you can create a new account as well if you like, and select the keychain model, what keychain model they have selected. So they want 10 car keychains, and let's save and new. Let's make a few bookings here. So booking date today, booking quantity 15, account, select the same account again, And this time we select a different keychain model, save and new, booking quantity. Let's select a different account this time. So you can see as we are creating the records, the keychain booking name is an auto generated number. That's the field there, and the booking date is defaulted to today. We can change it or keep it as we want. The booking quantity is a number which is accepted. It has a owner field which is the record creator, and you have associated an account and you have associated the keychain model that has been ordered in this booking. Now let's go and take a look at the accounts page layout. So in accounts, we created a few bookings under Basil. So let's look at that. We take a look at the related fields, related list, and under related list, we can see the keychain bookings that have been created. Now you can always edit this related list in the account page layout to show more fields if you like because it is currently it is just showing the booking name, which is an auto generated number, but it doesn't show any other fields. So let's see how we can edit this page to show some more data. Click on the setup icon, go to edit page. So what we can see is it is a lightning account record page that we are presented with. We are interested in the keychain bookings related list. The component that we have just selected is a page related list, and it exists on the account layout page, which is being previewed right now. So let's select that account layout page. Brings us to the object manager account page layout, and under that we go to related lists. For related lists, we select the keychain bookings and we look at the properties of this related list. Now the selected field currently is keychain booking. So let's add booking date, booking quantity, and keychain model to this. We can move the keychain model up there and click OK and save it. All right. So we don't need to save this record page because what we have just done is we have actually gone and changed the account layout, which is a component on the lightning record page. So we just need to click back, leave, because we have not made changes to the lightning record page. We have already saved the account layout. So here we can just leave this, go back to account, refresh the page again. And if we look at the related lists, we can now see the fields that we just selected are also showing up. Let's also look at the keychain models, and let's see a particular keychain model and the bookings that have been received for this particular model can be seen in the related list. So there's a booking there, KB1. This also has only one field currently displayed. So let's go ahead and change that. Settings icon, edit page, related lists, select the component. It will be previewed. So it is the keychain model layout that we need to edit. So select that layout. Takes us to Object Manager, Keychain Model Page Layout. Go to the related lists. Under related list, you have keychain bookings. So let's edit the properties. Only one field has been currently selected, keychain booking name. So let's also select the account, booking date, and booking quantity. Click OK and save this layout. Now that you've saved this layout, you can go back to the lightning record page, click back, leave this because we have not made any changes here. We made changes to the keychain model layout, which is a component in this lightning record page. So leave this one, go back to the page, refresh the page, and you can now see for the keychain model car keychain, you can see the related list keychain bookings, which shows what is the keychain booking number, the account that it made the booking date, and the booking quantity. So this way it makes it easier when the user is navigating around for them to find out for a particular model what are the related information. So this is how we have created the lookup. The first lookup we created was from keychain bookings to account, a lookup field, and another lookup field that was created on keychain bookings, which looked up the keychain model.